questions, okay? So let's begin. The first question. What's your full name? Again, what's your full name? What's your full name? What's your nickname? What's your nickname? What's your nickname? What are you? What are you? What are you? Where do you study in? Where do you study in? Where are you from? Where are you from? What's your hobby? What's your hobby? What do you want to be? Or what would you like to be? What would you like to be? What's your father's name? What's your father's name? What's your father? What's your mother's name? What's your mother? How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have?